In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to get rid of turmeric stains on countertops. Before trying either of these methods, start by cleaning the stained area with dish soap and a mildly abrasive sponge. This step usually won't remove turmeric stains completely, but cleaning the area thoroughly to lift as much of the stain as possible will make the next step much easier. Now let's go over the two stain removal methods. Method number 1, using a UV light. This method is safe for any type of countertop. All you need is a 10 to 30 watt UV light that plugs into a regular wall outlet. Simply shine the light directly on the stain for about 1 to 2 hours, and the stain should gradually fade until it disappears completely. Turmeric's bright yellow color comes from a natural dye called curcumin. UV light breaks that dye apart at the molecular level, similar to how sunlight can fade old posters or bleach clothing over time. Curcumin just happens to be especially sensitive to UV light, which is why the stain fades so quickly. If you don't have a UV light, sunlight can work too. In a home with plenty of natural light, turmeric stains will fade on their own over several weeks or months. But if you want faster results, using a UV light is a much more effective option. Method 2 for removing turmeric stains is to use an oxidizing agent. This method is safe to use on all countertops except for wooden surfaces. Mix 1 tablespoon of OxiClean powder in a half cup of water until it is dissolved. Oxidizing agents like OxiClean break down to release oxygen, which reacts with the yellow pigments and breaks them down. Once the OxiClean has reacted with and broken down all of the curcumin pigments that are stuck to the surface of the countertop, the yellow stain will vanish. Once the solution is mixed, pour it over the stained area and allow it to sit for a couple hours to allow it to break down the curcumin pigments. In some countries, OxiClean is sold under the brand name Vanish. Both products are oxygen-based stain removers that work the same way, so if you're in places like Australia, the UK, or much of Europe, you'll know this product as Vanish, not OxiClean. As soon as the stain is gone, clean up the solution using a sponge or some paper towels. If you're dealing with other tricky stains, check out my website, thestainguide.com, where you can access our stain libraries and learn how to remove virtually any kind of stain.